horizons of achievement and ambition. Every journey to success, every single one, begins with a clear vision and well-defined goals. This is where it all starts, my friends. Close your eyes for a moment and imagine where you want to be in 5 years. What does that look like? What does it feel like? Now open your eyes and grab a pen and paper because we're about to make those dreams a reality. Setting goals is not just about daydreaming. It's about taking that vision and breaking it down into achievable steps. Think of it like building a house. You don't just throw a bunch of bricks together and hope for the best. You need a blueprint, a plan. Your goals are your blueprint. Write them down, make them specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. And don't be afraid to dream big. Don't limit yourself. The sky's the limit. But also be realistic. Break those big dreams down into smaller, manageable steps. What can you do today, this week, this month to move closer to your goals? Remember, success doesn't come by chance. It comes from careful planning and relentless determination. Listen, you are the master of your own life, the captain of your own ship. You have the power within you to create the life you want. And one of the most important keys to unlocking that power is managing your time effectively. Time is precious, my friends. Don't waste it. Think of time as an investment. Every minute you spend should be an investment in yourself, in your growth, in your future. Invest in learning something new, in enhancing an existing skill, in expanding your knowledge. Engage in training courses, follow expert advice, read books, listen to podcasts. The possibilities are endless. And let's talk about routine. Establishing a daily routine can be a game changer. It brings structure and discipline to your life. Start by identifying your most productive hours. Are you a morning person or a night owl? Schedule your most important tasks for those times when you are at your peak. And don't forget to schedule time for yourself, for self-care. This is not selfish, it's essential. Take care of your physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Exercise, meditate, spend time in nature, connect with loved ones. When you feel good, you perform at your best. This personal commitment, this dedication to self-improvement will propel you towards success. Chapter 3. Now let's talk about one of my favorite things in the world. Books. Motivational books in particular are like magic. They have the power to transform your mindset, to open your eyes to new possibilities, to inspire you to achieve greatness. Think of these books as your personal mentors, your guides on the journey to success. They are filled with wisdom, with the success stories of others who have walked the path before you. They offer valuable lessons, practical advice, and a fresh perspective that can change your entire outlook on life. When you read a motivational book, you are not just reading words on a page. You are absorbing the experiences, the insights, the triumphs, and yes, even the failures of others. You learn from their mistakes, you are inspired by their resilience, and you gain the confidence to pursue your own dreams. Don't miss the chance to explore the best books that can revolutionize your lifestyle. Click the link below the video now to discover and purchase the most essential books in the world for a complete life transformation. Chapter 4. Let's be real. The path to success is not always smooth sailing. There will be bumps in the road, detours, maybe even a few roadblocks. But here's the thing. Challenges are not meant to break you. They are meant to make you stronger, more resilient, more determined. The key is to face those challenges head-on, to learn from your mistakes, and to never, ever give up. Remember, every successful person has faced their fair share of setbacks. It's how they responded to those setbacks that made all the difference. And speaking of support, surround yourself with people who believe in you, who support your vision, who lift you up and encourage you to chase your dreams. Building a strong support network is crucial. These are the people who will be there for you through thick and thin, who will celebrate your victories and offer a shoulder to cry on when you need it most. Remember, you don't have to do this alone. Reach out to mentors, join communities, connect with like-minded individuals who share your passions. Together, you can achieve anything. Chapter 5. Today, you've been given a gift, a roadmap to a more fulfilling and successful life. You've learned the importance of setting clear goals, managing your time wisely, investing in self-development, finding inspiration in books, overcoming challenges, and building a strong support network. Now it's time to put these principles into action. Don't let this be another one of those videos you watch and then forget about. Take action. Start small if you need to, but start today. Every step you take, no matter how small, brings you closer to your dreams. And remember, you have the power within you to create the life you've always wanted. If you found this video inspiring, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more motivational content. And don't forget to click the link below to grab your essential books that will completely transform your lifestyle. Your journey to success starts with that first step. We've covered a lot of ground today, my friends, but it all boils down to this. Believe in yourself, trust the journey, and never give up on your dreams. You have greatness within you, and I have no doubt that you will achieve amazing things. Go out there and make your mark on the world. And remember, I'm always here cheering you on every step of the way.